Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a design team project for ScraPerfect. And you will find also the link to my blog in the description box below, where you can find the whole video tutorial that I did for these boxes. And you will also find the link for ScraPerfect, who makes the best glue ever, among some other amazing things that I used. But this really is the best glue ever for paper projects. I love this glue. It is no mess, no fuss, no muss, and you use very, very little of it. They also sell the caps, the no clog writing caps. So you can get these for your glue, and you can also get them for your glossy accents or anything else that you have. They also have the best cleaner ever, which is great for cleaning your brushes and all kinds of things. So definitely go over and check out the blog and ScraPerfect, because there's lots of great stuff there. So what I did this time was I made teeny weeny little boxes, very tiny ones. These boxes are not quite 2 inches. You can see there is my finger. There's my thumb. It's, smaller than my thumb. So they're barely 2 inches. They're about 1.75 inches, I would say. I did 3 of them. These are like for little tiny gifts. They're great for stocking stuffers. You could make these in a holiday theme. Super cute. And they're just paper mache boxes, but they're very tiny. So let me start. What I did was I painted them first with gesso, and then I used some Prima Art Alchemy paints. This is the vintage pink, and then I did the blue pink and the blue gold. So that's what the colors of the paint are. And after I had painted them, it was time to start decorating them. And you can see you can put a little something in there. I mean, how adorable would this be for like an engagement ring or a little locket for Christmas for somebody, and then you could decorate the box and put it in their stocking like that. It'd be so cute. So let's start with this one, the pink one. After the paint was dry, I added some laces and trims around the bottom. These are some of my dyed laces on here. This one was dyed with beet juice, and this was avocado dyed. And then I took some embroidery floss and just wound it around the box. I just love the way that it looked. And then I made a little bow here on the front. And then this little flower here is from ScraPerfect. They sell these wheels of embellishments. Where did I put that? You'll see them on the site. They're called Wheel of Embellies, and they're tiny, tiny little flowers. And they also have wheels. They look like these. They look like these. And they have bling ones, and then they have ones with a little flower in them. Is that it there? There it is. This is what it looks like, with all these tiny little flowers in it. So I love this, because you know I love tiny little flower things. And then I added a little doily and some pearls and one of the Tim Holtz paper dolls. I added more embroidery floss underneath the paper doll. And there's another one of those tiny little flowers there on the doll. And then I just added the word play. But easy, simple project. Now, what did I use from ScraPerfect? I used the Wheel of Embellies here, and I used the best glue ever for everything, to glue everything down, even the lace. It works fine on things like this. If you're gluing a thinner lace to like a hard substrate, it works fine. It just takes a minute, but it does work. I used the glue to hold the embroidery floss down, to glue the pearls down. Now those I had to let sit overnight. But yeah, everything has been glued down with the best glue ever. So, and you can see it's all stuck well. So that's my first box. And again, the same thing with this one. I used the best glue ever for everything to glue it down. This one I used some blue lace on the side and some ivory colored embroidery floss. And then a little doily, some pearls, another one of the little embelly flowers there. the word wish, and of course the Tim Holtz little dolls. And then last but not least is this little girl here. I used some crochet trim and some mint green embroidery floss. I made a little bow here, another of the embelly flowers, some paper roses and pearls, and the word legacy. So that is my little tiny teeny weeny box project, and they'll all fit in the palm of my hand. Those are my little tiny boxes. I hope you like them, and please check out ScraPerfect and my blog. The link is in the description box. I hope you like them, and don't be put off by something that's super tiny to do. These were fun, and they were fairly quick to do, although not as quick as you would think being small, but you know, it takes time for things to dry in between the paint and stuff, but you know, I'm pretty pleased with how they came out. So I hope that you like them too. They would make great little gift projects. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will be back with another video soon. Check out the links below. Bye!